So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install YouTube Music app on iPhone. So first of all, open the App Store on your iPhone. Now here, tap on this profile icon on the top right corner. Now as you can see here, I am logged in to my Apple account on this iPhone. You will have to log in to your Apple account to install apps from the App Store. So make sure you log into your Apple account before you continue. Once done, tap on this done button. Once done, tap on this search icon on the bottom right corner. Now here search for YouTube Music. Now this is the YouTube Music app. To install it, tap on the get button. And now verify with Face ID. Like this. Once done, this will start downloading the app. Wait for a few seconds. Once the app is downloaded, tap on open to launch it. And now this will launch YouTube Music. After the app launches, sign into your account to continue using it. Now after this, you can play any song. For example, let's play this one. And this will start playing the song. So this is how you can install YouTube Music app on iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.